Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart TikTok without deleting it. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but we need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all we need to open TikTok, and if we want to restart TikTok, first of all we need to open our profile, and here in the top right corner we need to click on the three lines and go to settings and privacy, clicking on the last option. And now scroll down a little bit until you will find cache and mobile section and the option called free up space with a little bin icon. Click on it, and now first of all, to restart the application we need to clear all these cache and downloads. So click on the clear button next to each option, confirm the action. Click on clear once again, confirm the action, and basically we are done with the TikTok application. Now we can close the TikTok application, and now we can open settings on our device. From here we need to scroll down a little bit until we will find general with a little gear icon and go to iPhone storage, and we will basically see everything that is stored on our device. Now we need to scroll down and find TikTok in this list of downloaded applications. Here it is, click on it, and now we'll upload the app, basically deleting all the data of this application but not deleting it completely. So click on upload app and confirm the action, clicking on upload app again, and then you will be able to reinstall this TikTok application, but basically it won't be deleted, it just will be uploaded. And basically that is it. That is how we can restart TikTok application without deleting it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.